and faith.
Mugomo wa mandagitari no guthie na mbere. Uyu ni murugamo uri urutetwo ni Kiama kia mandagitari KMPDU magikinyira kuga cigana ni cigana kuona thirikari ni teyaneirie mendekithia mao udumwe na kwaga kumategera matu ihinda-ini riri bururi urathie na mbere na kwandikithia wongerereku wa namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro guku mucii munene wa Nairobi, muikariri giti wa Kiama giki Samuel Oroko hamwe na muruna wake Chibanzi Mwanchonda uria niwe mwandiki munene kiama-ini giki ni maugite ni mageretie njira ciothe gukuruhania nyitite miro honge-ini rwa ugima wa mweri hamwe na Ministry ya Labour, no gutire ikinya ona rimwe ritacukitio kuonania wendi wa kumateithiriria.
We have engaged over the last 2 weeks. But what has been brought on the table does not address comprehensively the plight of the doctors in this country.
For the last many years, about the changes which need to be done, at least in the health sector. And we wonder whether we are talking to a stone, because these people don't seem to listen to healthcare workers.
Mwanchonda ni ugite ni maritie na kayo kamwe ga kuiga miro yao tariki 7 mwambiririo wa kiumia giukite, makiuga gutire murigitani ugakorwo ari thibitari, koguo mukenya wothe hari arumo ndumwe na arwaru matire na wa kumarumbuiya guku akiuga ni maheanite notithi ya thiku 21 kuri thirikari iria itanyitwo kuinikiriria tariki 7 mweri uyu.
14 days ago we issued a 21-day strike notice on which that strike will take effect.
Oho ni maugite thirikari ndimahete ugitiri muiganu kuona arigitani aingi ni makuireire wira-ini wao makigeria kuhurana na COVID-19, undu uria ucungiriirio nyihu wa arigitani aya kuri mathibitari matiganite bururi-ini na kurituhia murigo kurwa na murimu uyu guku bururi-ini.
And up until now we have PPEs over 6 billion worth in KEMSA. Directives that were issued, I think 2 weeks ago when we issued our notice, have not borne any fruits.
Gukihana uguo Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri kuhitukira mutafariri wa mihang'o ministry nino Rashidaman ni athingatite kuga ni kumana giikaro kia hamwe kiria gikuruhanitie anyitite miro honge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri, Kiama kia Arigitani udumwe na Ministry ya Labour muoroto ari gwetha kihonia kia ndũgamano ĩno iria ikoretwo ho kwa ihinda.
Issues surrounding allowances, protective gear and things like that they have raised. Then there are issues that have been long-standing for a period of time, and we hope that we will be able to address things according to the level of urgency without having to down our tools.
Itemine ria guthatia mugomo uyu guku bururi-ini Amon ni ugite no marathie na mbere na gwetha kihonia kia narua kuhorohia ndũgamano ĩno iria yambururite marakara kuri kiama giki. KMPDU ni ikinyire kuga matikũgũagũa rita rĩrĩ kuona thengia wa gukuruhania mbunge cierĩ cia bururi ũndũmwe na igoti arigitani matire mararĩhwo njoherera ya mishara yao.
I don't like this.